the halls of thought where shadows play. Philosophers ponder night and day, from Plato's cave to Kant's great mind, seeking the truths that we hope to find. Oh, the dance of ideas, the quest for the light. In the tapestry of time, we search for what's right. Ethics and history woven so tight. In the heart of the seeker, the flame burns bright. Aristotle's wisdom, the golden mean. In every decision, what does it mean? Utilitarian dreams, the greatest good. In the fabric of life, we're misunderstood. Science unfolds like a story untold. With every discovery, new wonders unfold. From Newton's apple to Einstein's grace, in the realm of the cosmos, we find our place. History whispers the tales of the past, lessons of courage, shadows that last. From empires rising to the fall of the great, in the mirror of time, we contemplate fate. So let's walk together on this winding road. With philosophy's lantern, we lighten the load. In the quest for knowledge, we'll never be done, for the journey of wisdom has just begun.